Dear friends, as we know that life is always uncertain and challenging, so we need to know about universal laws of physical and mental. Universal mental laws of conscious mind, subconscious mind, and superconscious mind can channel unlimited mind power. For this purpose, proven path was given by Paramhans Yogananda through Kriya Yoga. This yoga is twice referred by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. It is also mentioned twice by the ancient sage Patanjali. Paramhans Yogananda was born on 5th January 1893 in Gorakhpur in northeastern India near Himalaya mountains. He explained the laws of life each us need to know. They are valuable for our daily physical, mental, and spiritual welfare. The lessons offered practical wisdom for everyday living. In response to these inquiries, Paramhans Ji founded Yoga Satsang Society of India Self Realization Fellowship to disseminate his teachings and preserve their purity and integrity for the future generations. Now let us know what does Kriya means. Kriya in Sanskrit, actions, deed and effort, most commonly refer to a completed actions, technique or practice within a yogic discipline meant to achieve a specific result. The Yoga Sutra Patanjali defines three types of Kriya, namely asceticism, study and devotions. What is the difference between Kriya Yoga and Hatha Yoga? Kriya Yoga focused on more than just the physical benefits of yogic practice but also its spiritual benefits. So, Kriya Yoga is also a scientific union with God. What are the benefits of Kriya Yoga? A daily yoga practice of various kriyas or techniques which not only provide great strength, stability, and peace but also makes one dynamic and visionary. It brings balance and tranquility to the body and mind by reducing both restlessness and inertia. Lastly, I would like to say that to know more, you should read the book Autography of a Yogi by Paramhans Yogananda and connect with the Yoga Satsang Society of India. Hope you have liked this video, so you do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks.